This is a bubble-eye goldfish. Hi, little friends. Let's peek into the aquarium and meet the funny bubble-eye goldfish. This special fish comes from China, but is now kept as a pet all over the world. A bubble-eye goldfish eats small flakes, worms and plants in the water. They can live about 10 years with good care. The bubble-eye goldfish is easy to spot because of its big water-filled bubbles under the eyes, making it super cute and unique.
This is a hermit crab. Hey, beach buddies! Let's meet the hermit crab, a little creature that carries a borrowed shell as its home. The hermit crab lives on sandy shores and shallow waters around the world, from the Caribbean to Japan. This funny crab eats algae, tiny fish, and leftovers it finds. A hermit crab can live 10 to 30 years and loves switching shells when it grows. Did you know the hermit crab never makes its own shell, but always finds one? This is a oyster. Hey, kiddos, let's meet the oyster. A tiny but amazing sea animal. The oyster lives in salty waters, near countries like the United States, Japan, and Australia. An oyster eats by filtering tiny plankton from the water. This little creature can live about 15 to 20 years. The oyster is very special because sometimes it makes shiny pearls inside its shell. The oyster loves to stay attached to rocks or other shells, building big underwater groups called reefs. This is a blue whale. Wow, kids! Get ready to meet the blue whale, the biggest animal on our planet. The blue whale lives in all the world's oceans, from the Pacific near the USA to the Indian Ocean near India. This gentle giant eats tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. A blue whale can live about 70 to 90 years and love swimming long distances. Did you know the blue whale's heart is as big as a small car? Isn't that amazing? Splash, splash! Who's the cool swimmer in the deep blue sea? It's the amazing shark! Sharks live in oceans all over the world, from warm tropical waters to cold seas near the poles. The shark eats fish, squid, and sometimes even seals. It can live from 20 to 30 years, and some live even longer. The shark loves swimming fast and using its strong nose to find food. What a fascinating... This is a green sea turtle. Hello, ocean adventurers! Let's meet the green sea turtle, a gentle reptile with a smooth shell. The green sea turtle lives in warm oceans near countries like Mexico, Australia, and Indonesia. This amazing animal eats seagrass and algae, helping keep the ocean healthy. A green sea turtle can live more than 70 years and loves swimming long distances. Did you know the green sea turtle always returns to the beach where it was born to lay eggs? This is a humpback whale.
Hello, little explorers. The humpback whale is a gentle giant that lives in oceans all around the world, near countries like Australia, Canada, and Brazil. A humpback whale eats tiny krill and small fish, using its big mouth to filter lots of food at once. This humpback whale can live about 45 to 50 years. It loves to jump high out of the water and show its long fins. Children remember the humpback whale because it is friendly, huge and amazing to watch.
This is a blacktip reef shark. Hey, ocean buddies! Let's meet the blacktip reef shark, a fast swimmer with black tips on its fins. The blacktip reef shark lives in warm, shallow waters near countries like Indonesia, Thailand, and Australia. This sleek hunter eats small fish, squid, and crabs. A blacktip reef shark can live about 20 years and loves swimming around coral reefs. Did you know the blacktip reef shark is often seen jumping out of the water when it gets excited? This is a hammerhead shark. Hi, ocean explorers! The hammerhead shark is a very special shark with a funny hammer-shaped head. You can find a hammerhead shark in warm oceans near places like Hawaii, Australia, and Africa. This hammerhead shark loves to eat fish, squid, and sometimes crabs. It can live about 20 to 30 years. A hammerhead shark enjoys swimming in groups called schools, and its wide head helps it see better. Children love learning about this shark because it looks so unique and cool. This is a loggerhead sea turtle. Guess what, friends? The loggerhead sea turtle is a big ocean traveler. You can find the loggerhead sea turtle swimming in warm waters near countries like the United States, Mexico, Greece, and Japan. This turtle loves eating crabs, jellyfish, and shellfish. A loggerhead sea turtle can live around 50 years, sometimes even longer. It enjoys floating in the sunshine and nesting on sandy beaches. The loggerhead sea turtle is very special because it helps keep the ocean's food chain healthy. This is a spotted jellyfish. Hello, little ocean adventurers! The spotted jellyfish is a gentle creature with a see-through body covered in white spots. You can find a spotted jellyfish in warm seas near Australia, Japan, and Indonesia. This spotted jellyfish eats plankton and tiny plants floating in the water. It can live about 1 year. A spotted jellyfish loves to drift slowly with the waves. Kids, remember the spotted jellyfish because it looks magical, peaceful, and shines like a floating umbrella. This is a cow-nose ray. Hello, little sea adventurers! The cow-nose ray is a graceful animal with fins shaped like wings that help it glide through the water. You can find a cow-nose ray in oceans near the United States, Brazil, and West Africa. This cow-nose ray loves to eat clams, oysters, and crabs by crushing them with its strong jaws. A cow-nose ray can live about 15 to 20 years. Kids, remember the cow-nose ray because it looks like it's flying under the sea. This is a flapjack octopus. Hello, deep-sea friends. Let's meet the flapjack octopus. A cute little octopus that looks like it's smiling. The flapjack octopus lives in the deep Pacific Ocean, near places like Japan and California. This tiny creature eats small shrimp, snails, and worms. A flapjack octopus can live about 2 to 3 years and loves to float gently above the seafloor. Did you know the flapjack octopus can flatten its body like a pancake? That's why it's called flapjack. This is a squid. Hi, ocean explorers. Let's meet the squid, a sea animal with long arms called tentacles. The squid lives in oceans all over the world, from Japan to the USA. This slippery creature eats fish, shrimp, and crabs. A squid can live about 1 to 3 years and loves to swim quickly by squirting water. Did you know the squid can also release ink to hide from predators? That makes the squid super clever. This is a orca. Wow, ocean explorers! Let's meet the orca, also known as the killer whale, one of the smartest animals in the sea. The orca lives in oceans all around the world, from the cold waters of Norway to the warm seas near New Zealand. This amazing animal eats fish, seals, and sometimes even whales. An orca can live about 50 to 80 years and loves swimming with its family. Did you know each orca pod has its own way of communicating?